Hello, let's talk today about hair loss and when Rogaine makes things worse for women over 45. So, a lot of people use Rogaine, and sometimes it can be helpful for people, but a lot of times for women after 45, it can make the hair look worse. I'm going to explain to you why that is and maybe some things that you can do about it. So, one of the reasons that Rogaine minoxidil, that's Rogaine is the brand name for the generic treatment, which is minoxidil. It's a cream. You can take it topically on the scalp or you can take it orally. I'm noticing more doctors are promoting oral treatment. They have different effects on the body. I also see a lot of people that are getting topically. So I'm going to talk today just about the topical solution because that's more readily available at at the market. You can get it at any pharmacy or drugstore, and you don't need a prescription. So why it tends to affect women over 45 is that it can be drying, and women's hair over 45 is already starting to dry out and become more brittle. I've also noticed that some patients will tell me that it's causing itching, and that is probably something that you don't want to let go too long because it can cause more problems down the line. The other thing is that it is not always that effective, and when you're taking something over time, it can cause more breakage. So it's an individual choice, but I do find that it can create also more inflammation on the scalp. So if you're noticing all those things, if you're noticing any kind of facial hair, which that also is one of the things that can happen with minoxidil, is you'll get facial hair or hair in different parts of your body. Maybe you want that, maybe you don't, but if you're not happy with that, then you kind of want to look at other solutions. Obviously, I'm going to promote a non-drug solution, but there are other things that you can do. You can talk to your professional about it, and I think that it's trial and error. But if you're finding you're getting those symptoms or if you're getting those results from taking minoxidil, I'd step back and see if there are other options that you can take, especially if you're not really seeing the results. But what you can do is make sure that you're staying as healthy as possible, taking care of your scalp, reducing any inflammation on the scalp, and then if you are noticing any kind of really rough kind of pustules or any kind of, you know, I guess, kind of dandruff appearance, you want to make sure that you see a professional for that. So I hope this has been helpful, and if it will help you when you go see a professional so that you're not suffering. There's no point, at no point should a hair loss treatment put you in more pain or make things worse. So I hope this was helpful again, and if you have any comments or any questions, go ahead and put them below in the chat. And if you'd like a download of my free book, which is the top 9 foods for menopausal hair loss, you can do that. And I will see you in the next video.